have this go down. White go down too. Orange go left. Orange go up. Orange go up too. And I have 1, 2, 3 go right. So you can match orange and orange, so you move it like this. White go down. Orange go right. This go up. Okay. Now orange go down. 1, 2, 3 go left. This go down. The white go left. Orange go up. Okay, now this go right. Okay, white go down. You can see I do the same. Okay, now you see. So you move this, go to the left. Orange go down, the same. Orange go left. White go down. This go left. Now this go up. Okay, orange go right. White go down. Do the same. Continue. This go left. Orange go down. This go left. White go down. Now continue. This go left. Okay, this go up. Orange go right. Yellow, white go down. This go up. And the last way go down. You can see